of you who don't know what cracklings are, they are a pork product made with the skin of a pig. So first, they make the bacon, but they take like the top layer of fat and skin off, and then you get the bacon. And this is what that is. It's the top layer of fat and skin. It does have a little meat too. So Lucas here, he can't remember if he's ever tried pork cracklings, so he's going to try pork cracklings, see how he likes them.
What do they smell like?
Well, I'll give you one. You can smell it, you can taste it. Be careful, the outer edge is very hard.
It smells like a chicken wing.
It smells like chicken wings to you? What do you think?
Okay.
It's okay? Would you eat another one? No? You don't like them? Well, we'll see how you like them in the cornbread, okay? So you can see the meat portion. That's the meat portion right there. And then the fat, and then the skin is the dark outer ring. So the real dark is the meat, the light is the fat, and then this would be the skin right here. So Lucas explained to me the reason why he did not like it is because he didn't realize he wasn't supposed to eat this portion. This is the rind of it, or the skin, the actual outer layer of the pig. And it's really crunchy. So I'm going to go ahead and give him another piece that has a little more of the fat and a little bit of the meat on it. Okay, so now that he knows how to eat it, see, he broke it off. I like to just put it in my mouth, and then he put it in his mouth. So I just like to put it in my mouth, and then I just take the portion off.
It's a lot better. Is that like the fat on the inside, like where you can kind of taste it and it's somewhat smooth?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes a
But
lot
that's
better.
the texture. But you don't want to eat a lot of them, because if you eat a lot of them, it's a fat. It's fat. And fat's not so good for you. You need a little bit of fat in your life, but you don't need a lot. But pork rinds actually have vitamin D in them. And it's kind of hard to find vitamin D in a typical human diet.
Why do they? Isn't it like, do they have vitamin D because like they kept like the pigs outside or something like that?
Exactly. I see somebody got an A in science. Taking after your auntie.
Yeah, sure.
So here's one right here. The outer rind is here. And so and you do want to be careful. I still got another piece of rind. Okay. So, but they're really good, y'all. So I hope you like this little anecdote of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Take care.